Hello everyone, welcome to CAD tutorials for beginners. And in this tutorial we are going to see some more settings required in CATIA V5 for part modeling. So let us understand the first setting in this tutorial, that is how to change the background color of the CATIA V5 graphics window. So to change the background of this graphics window, we have to go to the tools, then options, and then display. And here in the visualization tab you can see here there are different colors we can change for the different objects. So here automatically selected is a background is in this color, purple color. So you can add the graduated color. So let's say how it looks with a graduated color, and also we can change some different colors here. So let us add here this yellow. So you can see the yellow background is applied to the graphics window. So we'll keep this purple as by default and just click OK. So similarly, you can have multiple options available to change the color for the selected elements, selected edges. These are the default colors available in CATIA V5. So we'll see in the upcoming lectures. So now we will see one more option for the accuracy. So to understand this, we will just create one sketch here. Select the sketch positioning and we'll draw one simple sketch on the top plane. So let us create one circle here, and if you see here to this circle, it is not showing completely a circle. So it has some lines here, and with the multiple lines that circle is created, it seems here. So now if you want to have this circle in a continuous form, then we can just increase the accuracy of this circle. So let us go to the tools, let us go to the options, and here in the general tab you can go to the display and the performance. We have seen the visualization, and beside that there is a performance. So you have to just reduce this proportional and you have to make it to 100% accuracy. So you can see here in this image, if you go on increasing this value, this proportional, so it is showing that the circle is not getting made actually. Okay, so just reduce it to 0.01, so 100% accuracy, and now you can see here, you can see the complete circle in a continuous manner. So similarly it is applicable for the 3D as well. So just exit the workbench. Now in 3D also you can see here the accuracy is not 100%, and it has some lines showing here instead of continuous circle. So again to first we will pad this one. Just select the pad and increase some limits here and click OK. So now you can see here there are some lines and it is not 100% accurate circle. So just go to the just, just go to the tools, go to the options here, and again in the performance tab you have to change the accuracy for the 3D elements as well. So again reduce it to 0. So you can see it is now perfectly getting circled. So just click OK. So you can see here it is turned into 100% accurate circle. So in this way this option can be used of the 3D accuracy. Now we will see how to hide and show the objects. So let's assume, so if you want to hide this axis systems here, so just select the axis system, right click on it, and then click on hide show. So you can hide and show with this button, as well as you can hide and show through this tree as well. So just right click on it and just show it. Also we have the shortcut available for hide and show, that is Control Shift and Z. So if you select the object you want to show or hide. Just click on Ctrl Shift and Z from your keyboard, so you can see it is going to be shown. So this sketch is showing here. You can hide it from the graphics window as well. So now where that hidden content goes is in the visible space. So you can see here on the bottom of this toolbar, so swap visible space. So if you swap it, so whatever it hides, whatever is hidden, you can see in this visible space. So in this way you can use this hide and show options. Again, whatever you can see here, whatever you hide it, it goes into the visible space. So if you hide it from here, it will go to the current space. So you can see it is coming over here. So this is useful when your objects are tricky. So thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe our channel for more videos.